Special thanks to our friends over at this company who were nice enough to send us their portable fan light. As you can see, this is a cooling fan, a night light, and it's rechargeable and battery operated. Just their logo on the top, nothing on the bottom. The back shows the dimensions of the actual little fan and rechargeable light. Perfect for camping and stuff like that. You can see here, rechargeable. Runtime for the fan is 3 to 11 hours. Runtime for the light is 5 to 24 hours. Power charging, USB charging, 3 AA batteries is 1 to 9 hours for the fan and 3 to 20 hours for the light. So you can use rechargeable or AA. And there's also even an included hook. And here's, a little photo of it. 3 fan speeds, 3 brightness levels, emergency lights, good for a table, and metal hanging hook. So let's open it on up and take a look at it. Nice packaging for just a fan. Whoa, a little bigger than I thought, honestly. Wow, okay. And cable, guide, that's it. Okay, so it comes with an included micro USB-C cable for charging. It of course has a little set of instructions explaining the batteries, stuff like that. And then this is the actual device. Has some real good weight to it. So the hook's built in. That's pretty nice. I didn't catch that part when I was reading it. So that's how you can take that off to get to the 3 batteries. All right. And that just kind of pops back in place. Okay, got your hook here. There's that nice metal clip hook. I like that it kind of fits back down in here. That's pretty cool. And then this is adjustable, and it looks like your charging ports are right here. Yeah, so there's your micro USB port for charging. Let's see, does it have any power? Doesn't seem to. So I do get a light. We're gonna let this charge up, and then we're gonna try it out and see exactly how it works. So we have this charging up, a little red light there. We're gonna let this get charged, and then we'll see what it looks like. And then that little light turns green once it's fully charged. Now it's ready to go outside. So our fan is all charged up. We have a fan button on the back. And hit it. Instantly cuts on. Nice breeze. Medium. High. Wow, that's a real nice breeze. And off. And then of course there's the light as well. Let me show you it. So if I hit the light button, it turns on the light, which you can kind of see about how much light that puts off. I hit it again, it does get brighter. Nice 2-in-1 fan and light that's rechargeable. Thanks again to this company who was nice enough to send it to me. Thank you all for watching. We'll see you in the next one. Deuces.